Hi all. Today we are discussing some of the observation that might could have helped some of the people to engage more observation from site areas and to prevent more accident from site. You can see so many observation from this photograph. So I am explain one by one. So starting from first one, I have encircled one picture which is about a electrical cable that laid on an access area. So as we know, there are so many hazards involved that in that one. First one is it can cause slip or trip hazard in platform area because that is laid on a platform area, and you can see also that platform area is also a metal part. So any kind of current leakage may cause um, electrical hazards or electrocution to the workman or other peoples. So one of the observation is that one. So coming to preventive action, what we can do for this observation, the corrective many types of corrective actions are there. So first we need to remove that electrical cable from the platform in order to avoid slip and trip hazards. Next, this electrical cable need to rearrange or rewired through a underground or overhead through insulated wires or insulated rubber or any insulated plastic objects to avoid electrical conduction. Next observation, you can see one of the workmen standing on a shuttering board or plywood without any proper staging or scaffolding or work platform. So this is a major hazard. Why? Because when he falls down, it may cause high potential hazards. So what is the precaution to be done? And you can see he is not wearing any kind of full body harness or any kind of fall arrest system, so he may his chance is more to fall down. So the corrective actions are, first we need to give proper training to him to avoid such kind of malpractices, and next we have to give or provide a staging or a proper scaffold to for safe work platform, and have to provide full body harness or any kind of fall system to protect from hazardous conditions. So the next observation is, you can see one platform without handrail. So what is the purpose of handrail? Handrail is the purpose, or handrail is used for anchoring full body harness or any kind of fall arrest system. So there in you can see that there is no handrail provided or no handrail or no midrail provided. So that is one of the observations. So we need to provide handrail with midrail as per standard. So, next set of observation is, you can see one LED light that is for lighting purpose, area lighting purpose, without any proper tying or without proper support. So, what is the hazard involved in that one? If a workman working under this LED light without proper support, it may chance of fall down and may cause physical hazards to the workman. So, we have to remove immediately from the service. Among them, one more is that it is binded on a steel binding wire. So what happens if any electrical problem means, it may cause electrical hazard to the workman. So these are the some of the major observation, and you can see lot of observation in that one. There is poor housekeeping and some of other observation also. So if you find any other observation, please comment below, and thanks for watching.